The view is breathtaking, and I can promise you the walk up here takes your breath as well. It took us about 5 to 10 minutes to catch our breath again. Good morning. So we are in Koh Phi Phi. This is our first morning here, and we want to go and check out the viewpoint. So we noticed this point here in the village. So if you turn right, you can do a 2.5 kilometer walk through a normal road to the viewpoint, and here to the left you have a 25 minutes walk, and then you can climb up the stairs and you get to the famous Koh Phi Phi Viewpoint. Yeah, it's around 8 o'clock in the morning now, and we decided to go a little bit early so that it's not too hot. And guess what? It's freaking hot. It's very humid today, but it looks that it's gonna be a very nice day. We noticed that at the entrance at the pier it's quite busy and most hotels are open, but here a little bit deeper on the island there's not much to do. So here we have the access to the stairs to the viewpoint. It's a bit of a climb, but it's well worth it. Here you see all these tsunami signs. The first time that we came here was like 1 or 2 years after the tsunami. And many of these signs now I notice they become old. But then it was very fresh and they had all these escape routes and plans. So see you guys at the point. So we're here at the viewpoint, and the view is breathtaking, and I can promise you the walk up here takes your breath as well. It took us about 5 to 10 minutes to catch our breath again, but it is absolutely worthwhile. So yeah, it's 8:15 now, and you have a beautiful view. Also, we have the sun in the back, so everything's nicely lit up. It's very different from the last time that I was here, because they really made it into a kind of a park. So this is a lot of Instagram opportunities, and I think many people come here during the sunset. So there's actually 2 viewpoints. There's another one behind here that we're gonna explore a little bit later. They are charging an entrance fee of 30 baht, which is nothing and well worthwhile. Yeah, if you come to Koh Phi Phi, you will see many reminders. So here is a kind of memorial. So here you have pictures from before the tsunami and after. Yeah, so let's check out the second viewpoint. Haven't been there yet. See you there. So we just arrived here at the second viewpoint, and it was very funny because when I was down at the first viewpoint I wasn't sure if it was worth walking here, but this one is way better than the other one. So if you come to the viewpoint, just do the extra 300 meters and check out this. Here in front you have the Tonsai Bay and Tonsai Village. There in the back there is a second island, which is Phi Phi Lake. That's also the island where they filmed The Beach, the movie with Leonardo DiCaprio. And here you have have a stunning view. Yeah, when you're on the island you have a lot of information about the tsunami, because this is something that really hit hard here. And the reason is, if you look at it geographically, so there it has an open entrance with the sea, and there's an open entrance with the sea. And basically the tsunami came from the west, which is over there. Phuket is over there as well. And the wave hit the island from two sides. On both sides the wave came around the island and then connected here in the middle, and it just swept over the whole low area there. So it just took everything from both sides. So the whole Tonsai Village was destroyed. And you can still see a lot of reminders about this tsunami, and still everywhere on the island you have like signs, like evacuation zone and all these things. And the first time that we came here was just a couple of years after the tsunami, and then the island was under development, but now it's much more developed. So anyway, it's definitely worth coming here. I mean, just for the natural beauty already. And yeah, I'm gonna show you a bit more about this island in the upcoming videos. So I hope you enjoyed this viewpoint. I really did. I can recommend coming here. And if you did, feel free to subscribe, drop us a line, and see you guys in our next video.